Alright guys, so I do want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new high performance RC car. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Man, I've been wanting one of these. Oh boy. So what's cool is I was reading this can go up to 43 miles per hour. User manual. Oh, look at this. Very cool. That seems nice. Controller for it. Battery. It's got 2 spare tires right here. Tool. Find out what that is. It's like a charger and a screwdriver. All right, let's dive into this ultra fast 43 miles per hour RC car. As I start to put the batteries in and set it up for a quick test run, let's start with the installation. Super simple. You just pop in the rechargeable batteries into the back, which I'll do here in a sec. You turn it on and you're good to go. No complicated setup, just quick, easy, which I did love. All right, now here's where the fun begins. With a brushless waterproof motor, this RC car is designed to take on all kinds of terrain. Whether it's mud, snow, sand, or grass, this thing handles it all. The 4-wheel drive really gives it an edge when it comes to stability and control, and that's important, especially if you're going to go off-road like I am here in a sec. The highlight though, it hits a high speed of 43 miles per hour. That's definitely fast for an RC car, and you can really feel the power behind the throttle. The RC car has 4 spring shock absorbers and a high-toughness front bumper, which gives it protection it needs to handle collisions. You won't have to worry about the little bumps or crashes because the RC car is built to handle it. It's tough, and you can definitely feel it the way it drives. Another thing that sets this RC car from others is a 16 adjustable lighting modes. It's not just a practical feature for low light conditions, but it also adds a really cool light show element when you're racing around. Perfect for nighttime driving or just showing off, honestly. And finally, let's talk about battery life. The car comes with 2 3S rechargeable batteries, giving you over 50 minutes of runtime, which is awesome. Not to have to constantly recharge it, you can really enjoy time without any interruptions. So let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Overall, this RC car is a beast. If you're looking for a new RC car, highly recommend this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below.